smell, Ira?
Hey guys, my name is Ira Gray. Welcome to our YouTube channel.
Hey YouTube, my name is George and this is me when I was a baby. See, the only thing I miss about being a kid is how slow time seemed to move. When we grow up, life just takes off and before you know it, you're on a porch swing wishing you had done more to enjoy life. For the past 7 years, I have done nothing but work. I am now 23 years old and I have been able to achieve a lot of my dreams. But my dream of becoming a dad just came true, so therefore it's time to slow down again and make sure I enjoy life with my son.
Hey Ira, I just want to tell you that I love you so much, son. And I cannot wait until you grow up and I can teach you all the things that I know and that I've learned. And I just can't wait to take you to school, teach you how to play basketball, how to throw a football, how to hunt, how to fish. I just cannot wait. I am the happiest person alive. I love you, son. I cannot wait until you grow up. Love, Dad.